What's up, Green Thumbs? How you guys doing? Glad to have you back again. I'm gonna start off like this. You get 20 brown composite pots for $125 at $70. When I tell you guys this is like a good price, I never actually gardened with it, but I heard they were pretty good for the seedlings. Okay, so make sure you guys check that out. And over here, you got some Miracle Grow indoor plant food. I had this before when I first started my plant journey, y'all. And when I tell you, I put it in my pothos, my sage plants. My plants were so grateful. They were blooming so fast. I live by Miracle Grow products. I love their products, their soil, especially their plant food. It works for me, y'all. It really do. And I like I say, I buy any day on the market because guess what, y'all? And right here, they wanted $3 for it at $70. Again, a bang for your buck. And down below, y'all, I see some big flower pots. Last year, I didn't really see this. I don't know if I'm like tripping out, but I mean, it get bigger every year, y'all. And it's good for potatoes. I mean, for carrots, the list goes on. I live in an apartment, y'all, so I cannot afford to do that right now. But one day when I get my house, I would definitely get me some big flower pots. They got some glass ones, some ceramic kinds, some plastic kinds. They got one that got self-watering, and they got some soil and whatnot. I'm telling you, my baby girl, look at her. That's my little what? That's my Charlotte. That's my best friend right there, girl. I love that girl right there. Okay, she helped me out with my little content. So I told her to give me some plant gloves because I'm tired of getting my nails dirty when I do my little soil and things like that and whatnot. But other than that, y'all, Family Dollar and Dollar Tree is my go-to, y'all. They have one Miracle Grow left, so make sure y'all get y'all soil because, like I said, Miracle Grow is that. I love Miracle Grow. They have some ranch on as well. $3 for those. You can go to Dollar Tree, y'all, and get it for $125. Okay. Remember, Dollar Tree and Family Dollar is the same store. For those who like familiar with that, I got a little water bottle for my little plants. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my outdoor plants and indoor plants. You know what I'm saying? Mix them down, my succulents and all that good stuff. These bottles sometimes they don't work too good, so be careful because like if they don't work too good, bring them back, y'all. Bring them back to the store, get your refund, get you another one because guess what? We spend our money right. We gotta make sure we get what we gotta get the right way. And this right here be going viral on TikTok every year. Let me tell y'all why. So these right here is stackable containers. What I mean is you can like stack them up and save space. People like to grow strawberries inside these right here because like they hang over and they won't fall on the floor. I never ever had one before, but they sell out. They want $125 for one. They even had a small baby kind too. I saw Dollar Tree the other day. But definitely keep an eye on them because like I tell you, get your plants stuff early. Plant stuff will come out and I believe it come out like in January, February from Family Dollar and Dollar Tree from what I know because, you know, I shop there all the time. So I get an insight of what's going to be coming out because I know the managers in there. But definitely, you're looking for these right fast. See how they stack up? You see how I'm talking about? You can stack them up. You can do 10, 5. You can also put a pole in the middle of it. I'm telling you, like, people got it going on TikTok. So go ahead and check them out. It's called Stackable Containers. And you're going to see like, okay, yeah, I get it. And whatnot, but yeah, y'all, I got some also fake flowers too, you know, for your table, for your outside, for your glasses, for your vases. And I think Dollar Tree flowers is way more better. You get a better variety of their flowers and whatnot, y'all. And they got some other fake also, I won't say fake, but you know, some more decorations of flowers that go on for wreaths, you know, things like that nature. This right here, yeah, it's a glass planter and it's so adorable. I'm thinking about putting bamboo plants in here with some lacquer clay pebbles. $5, y'all, because guess what, y'all, it's right on time. It'd be real dope for me with some bamboo. That's just my vision, okay? And when I get my house one day, I'm gonna have some more stuff, y'all. Y'all gonna be like, oh my God, you really need all that stuff? Yes, I do. Thank you very much. This right here, y'all, is another go-to, another must-have. Again, $125 for these. I got these all over my house right now. They got plants inside of it? No, I don't. I just got it for like toys, junk stuff, because they hang up. You can hang them up on the ceiling, you can hang them up indoors, outdoors again, you can hang them up on your windowsill. I mean, you can hang them up everywhere as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit close up how they look. They got strings that go on 3 sides only. So you can also spin them around too as well. They got holes to the bottom for the water can drain out of it. I'm telling you guys. People love this right fast. So you got like an outdoor porch or balcony. You can also have flowers in here, plants. You could do succulents in here, propagation in here. I mean, like, what? You could do a lot. Trust me. Again, y'all, 125 for each one of them. They got 3 colors too. So I'm definitely gonna get some more of these. I don't need no more, but I'm gonna get some more. Don't tell nobody, y'all. But yeah, I use it for everything else besides plants. Ask me why, I don't know. Again, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the planters, how they look together, up close and personal. The one I was telling you about earlier, the viral stackable planters. Yeah, so you can just stack them up. Man, I had to give me a little stuff going on. Okay, this right here was my little thumbnail. Yeah, I'm doing a little thumbnail right fast. I don't know, but every time I do my videos, I always gotta include a thumbnail because guess what? It gotta be popping so y'all can go ahead and click on my channel and see what I'm talking about right here. Alright, y'all? And that's how they look. So make sure y'all keep an eye out on all these items because everything changed, everything varies depending on where you live at in the world. So be mindful of that also. You see, my stuff probably won't be like somewhere in the south. So everything varies. Again, y'all got some more planters as well. I see a slug right fast here for that one. They wanted $3 also for that. It was a good price, and they had this I don't want to disrespect the people name of it, but I think like a Buddha, yeah, Buddha and whatnot. Very, very dope, very different. I love how it look. I mean, I spray paint this. I don't know, gold or something like that. But I definitely spray painting because I wanted to stand. I wanted to be popping. You already know how I am. I'm different, I'm creative, and just like that. Again, y'all, another selfie for my thumbnail, y'all. I had to go ahead and do it again, y'all. I had to do it. Video's coming to the end, best friends. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll be doing Dollar Tree haul next and whatnot. You don't want to miss them goodies there. And yep, y'all, so it is a wrap. Go get your garden stuff right now, okay? Because they're going to sell out so fast. Remember, y'all, happy growing.